Really?
Drink it up there, Yahtzee.
Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. Give me a good number.
Yeah.
No. There's a red light on the left side.
There's a lead right.
So he's done. Yeah, then what do you keep looking at?
Lexi!
Oh. 7, should I take a 7 or not? Snot.
Or snot. Lexi!
Playing Trivia Murder Party.
Ta-da!
You sure seem to be pointing it over in my direction.
Ta-da!
It's for a baby.
Ta-da! There goes good 3.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Ta-da!
Oh!
Well, I'm not saying 4. You don't want to start with a 1 or a 2. Wow. You see all that game he has? It's hot, it's cold, it's hot, it's cold. I have no game either, evidently. We all had shit. We all had shit.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Ta-da! I knew that was gonna happen.
She's a spitter.
I'm gonna hold it in your mouth that long? No.
Like, I've screwed up. Did I really screw up? Yes, I did. Oh, shit. If you think you laid that face down, you didn't. Oh, shit.
That mattress goes
together.
like this, and so we were both like clinging to the sides of the.
In the middle.
You said 1?
There was
I'm
my
out.
one.
Go for it.
What is it? Oh, shit.
There shouldn't be 4 cards out there. I'm not playing.
I mean,
He didn't need to bid higher.
bid higher. Yes, because you see, you have the power.
My shit meter's on all the time.
One.
Yeah.
One of
Where's your self-confidence? My shit meter's on all the time.
You won't get ahead if you don't try. Just do it.
Shut up,
Where's your
dresser.
confidence?
It's your chance to bid too.
Me?
Dustbuster.
Buzzbuster, yeah, that was a rare.
That was a police radar. There was
I'm
my
out.
one. If you're not gonna win, you're just ready to be done.
Can't carry 2 bags or show up with his wallet. And he goes, where is my wallet? And it was over there. I need to go home. Ta-da!
Dun, 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 dun.
My shit meter's on all the time.